Hey guys, I am Ridhima and welcome to my channel. Since Diwali is round the corner, so I thought of making some decorative items for Diwali, and in this video I'll show you how to make a paper lamp. It's very easy to make. It will only take 10 minutes of yours and it looks very beautiful. So let's get started. For this DIY you will need an A4 size sheet, diyas, pencil eraser, a ballpoint pen, a pair of scissors and Fevicol or a stapler. So just fold your A4 size sheet and cut it. Now take one side of the sheet, and now I'm making a very basic design. You can be as creative as you want to. I just mark the center and now we'll just cut a triangle. We'll get something like this. Now with the help of a pencil I am drawing my design. Now I'm placing an eraser beneath the paper, and with the help of the ballpoint pen I'll punch holes. Please be careful while doing this. You'll get something like this. Now for the sides, I'm drawing a basic border. And we'll punch holes. Now for the middle part, I'm drawing a flower. Just join the edges with the help of Fevicol or a stapler. For the other design that I already made, I'll show you how to make this design. So as done previously, take half of an A4 size sheet, and you just have to make some folds like this and cut out triangles. It's very simple. Place the diyas in the center, and yes, we are done. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please press the like button below and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.